In this video, I'll detail how to stop apps from using mobile data on iPhone. So whether you're using iOS 18 or 17.5, this video is going to walk you through. So if you download this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on mobile service or cellular service. This depends on your region. So click on mobile service or cellular service. Under the mobile service or cellular service, you want to scroll down a bit. Just scroll down. Then here you should see mobile data. Then here I have about 168 total mobile data used. Then you can see my personal hotspot is about 149, and here I have access to other applications using my mobile data on my iPhone. Then click on show all to see all the applications using your mobile data on your iPhone. Now to disable or turn off any of these applications from using mobile data on your iPhone, all you just need to do is this: locate the application. So let's say I want to turn off mobile data on mail. Come here and disable this. Then again, locate another application you want to disable from using mobile data. Then toggle off that. Then you can just keep checking. However, you want to see the application that use most of your mobile data on your iPhone. Here I have App Store and Facebook application. So I may want to disable Facebook so that my Facebook app will only work when I connect to Wi-Fi. But once it's enabled, this is going to use mobile data. So that's all you need to do to stop app or disable apps on your iPhone from using mobile data. So found this really helpful and informative. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.